Albert Savings usually stops working when automatic transfers are paused, the connected bank account has syncing issues, or the app's internal savings rules are blocked by insufficient balance activity. By the end, you'll know why Savings stops moving money, how to fix it step by step, and how to make sure it starts working again consistently. Start with the main cause. Albert Savings relies on scheduled or automatic transfers between your checking balance and savings. Now explain what that means. If your account doesn't have stable incoming funds, the system may pause savings transfers. Now give the first fix. Open the Albert app and go to the savings section. Now, explain what to check. Make sure your savings rules or automatic transfers are still turned on. Now explain what happens if it's off. If the rule is paused, no money will move into savings even if your account is active. Now, move to bank connection. A broken or outdated bank connection can stop savings transfers completely. Now explain what to do. Go to your linked bank accounts and confirm that the connection is active and fully synced. Now explain what syncing does. Syncing allows Albert to read your balance and schedule savings transfers correctly. Now explain balance issue. Low or inconsistent account balance activity can also prevent savings from running. Now explain what that means. If the app detects risk of overdraft, it may stop automatic savings to protect your account. Now, give fix. Make sure your checking account always has enough buffer before savings runs. Now, explain app setting issue. Some users accidentally set very low or zero savings frequency without realizing it. Now explain what to do. Review your savings settings and check how often transfers are scheduled. Now explain notification of failure. If a savings attempt fails, Albert may pause future transfers until the issue is fixed. Now explain what to do. Check the activity or savings history inside the app for failed transfer messages. Now explain app version issue. Outdated app versions can also cause savings rules to not execute correctly. Now explain fix. Update Albert to the latest version before adjusting any settings. Now explain system delay. Sometimes savings doesn't look like it's working because transfers are delayed, not stopped. Now explain what that means. In those cases, money may still process but show up later in your savings balance. Now summarize the core idea. Albert Savings not working is usually caused by paused rules, syncing issues, low balance activity, or delayed transfers. Fixing savings settings and bank connection restores most functionality. And keeping a stable balance helps prevent automatic pauses. One practical, next step. Open Albert. Confirm savings rules are enabled, check your bank sync, and review your recent savings activity for failed or delayed transfers. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes for financial apps that actually explain what's happening behind the scenes.